Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Notes music feature is not showing, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you have to refresh your network. You have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store, go for search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, you have to simply go back from here and retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and hold the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and hold the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, this is the only way to fix that. Open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. So I'm going to offload my app, tap on offload app here, tap on offload app again. It will completely offload your app. After offloading, you have to reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, it will fix if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app. It will be fixed in this step, and after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.